Do you need a studio to become a musician in 2025? What if I told you one AI tool could write, sing, and produce full songs for you in seconds, and it could make you a rich musician? Hey, welcome, my name is Smart Gabriel, and this is where tech meets income. That tool is called Suno. Suno AI is like having a full music team in your browser. It writes lyrics, generates original vocals, composes instrumentals, and mixes your tracks all in one click. It's perfect for anyone who wants to make music without knowing how to sing or play. How to make money with Suno AI. 1. Upload your songs to streaming platforms. Use DistroKid or TuneCore to get your AI-made music on Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube Music. 2. Sell custom songs. Offer personalized, AI-generated music on Fiverr or Etsy. Birthdays, podcasts, intros. People pay for it. 3. License your music. Submit AI music to royalty-free platforms like Artlist or Audio Jungle. 4. Create a music brand. Use AI to build a unique artist profile. Post to TikTok and YouTube Shorts and monetize through content. 5. Use songs and content. Pair music with your own short-form videos and monetize via views, affiliate links, or digital products. Here's how you get started with Suno. Choose a genre and mood. Write a short prompt or lyrics. Let Suno generate your track. Edit or refine if needed. Publish it and promote it. You don't need a label or studio anymore. Just your laptop, Suno AI, and strategy, and you could start earning from your music within weeks. Subscribe for more AI tools that help you turn tech into income. Your next hit single might come from AI.